Hello and welcome to Swing Ann Arbor's July Beginner Series recap video for 2013. I'm Ross.
I'm Lauren.
And we'll be recapping weeks 1 and 2. So the first class we started with the rhythm. For leads we started with weight on our right, we're shifting onto our left.
So for follows, we begin with our weight on our left because we're going to step off onto our right foot first.
And our rhythm was step, step, triple step, 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 triple step, 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 triple step, 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 triple step.
1,
2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, da, shoot, da, 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 shoot, da, da. So any way you want to vocalize it, it helps to get the rhythm in your body if you're vocalizing on each step. So each time my foot makes contact with the ground, I either want to say step, step, triple step, da, da, shoot, da, 1, 2, 3, and 4, whichever works best for you.
It doesn't have to be out loud, it can be in your head, but you should be saying it somewhere so that you're thinking it through.
And then after we got that connection in our body, we connected. Or we got the rhythm in our body, then we had a connection. So leads, my hand is in the middle of the follows back, about between the shoulder blades.
Yep. Follows, we're just going to drape our arm over the lead's arm, so we want to make sure that we have as much connection space as possible between our arms, and I'm just relaxing my arm there. If Ross is taller or shorter, the exact spot where our connection is going to change. I don't always need to have my hand on his shoulder.
And then, so the next concept we had was the rock step, which is this step away and back. So back and away, which we can do by ourselves or with a partner. We want to be in the habit of being able to do this with a partner. And if you can see my feet, I can lift up. I'm exaggerating, but it's a clear weight change between one foot and the other. And so, straight to LIndy circle, or do you want to do the just basic rhythm first? Okay, so straight into the LIndy circle. So instead of the steps at the beginning, we had the rock step. So it'll look like this: rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. All right. Again from a different angle. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. And leads, remember when we do this the first time, I'm leaving my follow in place. Rock, step, triple step. Then I'm going to step behind down the line and bring her with me.
So step around together and down the line.
Not letting go yet.
So again, from another angle, we have rock, step, triple step, step around and down the line.
And then from here, we got into open. We had the rock, step, triple step, step, triple step. So I'm letting go on 5 there. I'm giving her enough connection that she's coming forward. So let's see where we'll land here. Let's see. Rock, step, triple step, we go,
6,
7, 8. And that gives her, because we have this stretching close, it gives my partner the information she needs to go straight the other way.
So we need to make sure that on number 4, count 4, we're stretching away from each other. So everyone's sitting back just a little bit into this connection. You're sitting your whole body back, so it's not a butt up thing or a shoulders back thing, but just your whole body goes back. And leads and follows have to match this equally to each other.
Yeah. So the other, we can go from, since you can go from closed to open, so this is open, we can also bring this back into closed. And again, back and open, stretch away, back into closed.
So we got that same stretch out here that we had on 4. It's just that that stretches through this arm. We make sure that we keep our shoulders back and they don't over-rotate forward. And we do a rock step essentially the same way as we did before.
And so we were using this this kind of yo-yo pattern to get into was eventually the swing out. So that was 16 counts. We're going to take out the middle connection. And this is what we're building up to Wednesday. Okay. So look forward to seeing you all soon, and we'll get to the swing out, which is the foundation of LIndy Hop.
It's kind of the best.
It is
See you then.
pretty much the best.